Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to chat on Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com as examples. Let me just go and remove this. So as you can see, Trello.com, hit the enter button and make sure as an example to log in into your account if you don't have an account, or if you have an account, make sure to go and create a new one. You can use as an example a Google account, Microsoft account, Slack account, Apple account if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you logged in, you should find yourself here. If you haven't, or if you still don't have any workspace, make sure to go and create a new one. You can even go and create some boards as an example and link your Trello to your Slack as an example if you want to invite your team or something like that. So how can you now chat on Trello? So here, just first of all, access a board. I will just access a board that I already have or created here, like example, this board. So as an example, let's say the people on this board or members in this board, you would like to chat with them. So all you need to do, just go and click on the three dots at the top right corner. And here, example, you'll need to go down in their settings, and they're like this change background, custom fields, automation. You'll find power ups. Go and click on that in here, and this will open for you. So all you need to do, just go to the search option and type chat. And as you can see, you'll have to go and click on this Google Chat and make sure to go and click on add. As you can see, the Google Chat power-ups will allow you to stay on top of the progress of any Trello board by sending updates to Google Chat when activity occurs on Trello cards and etc. Basically, all it will let you to do is simply uh, be able to chat with your team inside Trello. Of course, you can disable this whenever you want. You can go back always to power ups here and go for enabled, and you can click on settings and disable this whenever you want if at some point you didn't like it. So that's how you basically, and yeah, that's basically how you chat in Trello by simply adding a power up to you or for your help. As an example, of course, you'll need to have some members first of all, so you can chat with them. As an example, for me, I'm alone in this like workspace, so I'll not be able to chat with other people because I have nobody to chat with. But of course, for you, and like, of course, how to access that Google Drive is very simple. Again, you have to go to that board. I don't know. I guess it was this one. Yeah, you can go to Power Ups, and as you can see, you'll find your Power Ups here added. Of course, you can all add another Power Ups if you want to, and you can even enable like some Power Ups alerts or something like that. And yeah, you can even here, example, again, disable it, view it, remove from personal settings, and do a lot of other stuff. And yeah, that's how you basically do it. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.